let's go. To begin with, it depends how long you want your project to be. But initially, you need to begin with 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, what we're doing is building our foundation, and how long you want it to be, it's up to you. So we have 5, 5, 5, 5, and at the end you need to let's say you decide this is the length that I want, and you need 2 chain, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's go to round 2. Round 2 is you need double crochet on the 4th stitch. So this is not counted. We will start the count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th. We need double crochet here. Okay, on the 4th stitch. 1, 2. Okay, and then another 3 double crochet in the next stitch, in the next 3 stitch. 1, 2, 3. So what happened is we have our chain 3 to be counted as 1 double crochet, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 double crochet here. So what we are going to do is just continue, just to make sure you have 5, 5, 5 always, like a group of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Always like that, group of 5. Okay, so we have a group of 5 until to the last stitch, and then chain 1 for our round 3. Turn your work, and then single crochet in each stitch. Just single crochet all over. Okay, okay, so we need to go to our round 4. Round 4, you need chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn your work. Okay, and then you need a treble crochet here. I'll show you how. You need to yarn over twice, 1 and 2. Okay, and then on the 4th stitch, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this one is counted here. So we will start our count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to do a treble cluster. You remember we yarn over twice here, and then go to the 4th stitch here, pull it through, yarn over, yarn over. So we have 1, leave this here, leave it there. Okay, then another yarn over twice, 1, 2, and go to the same stitch, okay, then yarn over, getting the 2 loops here, and then now you have 3 loops here. 1 more, yarn over twice, 1, 2, and then go to the same stitch, pull over, and then okay, now you have 4, and then pull it through, getting the 3 loops. Okay, 3 loops, 3 loops. Now you have 2 loops remaining, then pull it through. Okay, so that's that's 3 treble. So now we need chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, yarn over twice. 1, 2, go to the same stitch, and then 2, leave it there. 1, 2, okay. Oh, one more. Yarn over again. 1, 2, same stitch. So now that we have 3, we need to get these 3 loops. Okay, 1, 2, 3 loops, and then 2 loops. Okay, this is the treble cluster that we made. That's the first treble cluster that we made. The next one is, again, we need a treble cluster, okay, on the 4th stitch again. 1, 2, and then go to the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do the same. Okay. See, leave this. 1, 2, go here, same stitch. 1, 2, you have 3 now. 1, 2, same stitch here. Okay, so now we have 3, and then you need to take out the 3 loop and then the 2 loop. Okay, then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to yarn over twice. 1, 2, and then go to the same stitch. 1, 2, one, 2, okay, pull out the 3, and then okay, just repeat that. Your next is count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when you reach the end, it's just 1 treble here. Treble 1, 2, and then here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, okay, now let's go to row 5. You just need to turn your work. Of course, I have chain 1 here first, and then turn your work, and then in the space, single crochet, and then on the next chain space, we need 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then 7 again in the next chain space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So just continue. 5, 6, 7, and then single crochet at the end. Okay, to continue, to make another cluster, just turn your work and then chain 4. If you remember what we did here, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, and then yarn over twice, 1, 2, and then go to the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then do the cluster again, 1, 2, same stitch, 1, 2, same stitch, and then pull it through, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then yarn over twice, same stitch, do the treble again, 1, 2, leave it, 1, 2, okay. Okay, so just continue, same like what we did here. Just do the cluster here, and then on the fourth stitch, and then on the fourth stitch, and the fourth stitch, and then do the single crochet again on the other side, then continue. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our tutorial today.